and welcome to Meighlin Yoga. My name is Meighlin, and I'm going to be guiding you through a pranayama practice known as Nadi Shodhana. Nadi are energy channels, and in yoga there's believed to be 72,000. Shodhana is cleansing, so in essence you're cleansing the energy channels as you move through this pranayama. It's also known as alternate nostril breathing, and it's believed to balance both the right and the left hemispheres of the brain, as well as bring you into your parasympathetic nervous system state. So let's begin. Taking now your left hand, bring your thumb and your index finger to touch, and draw your other three fingers in towards each other. You can have your palm facing upwards. This is known as Yan Mudra. Or if you prefer and you find that you feel a little restless or agitated, or the mind is quite active, you can instead have your palm facing down. This is known as Chin Mudra. Now, take your right hand and draw your first two fingers in towards your palm. This is Vishnu Mudra. Now from here, we'll do a cleansing breath together. So inhale through the nose and exhale out your mouth. Now, take your thumb and close your right nostril. We'll begin on the left side, inhaling through the left nostril for a count of 4. So, inhale. Close now the left nostril with the ring finger, release the thumb, and exhale for 4. Now, inhale for 4. Close the right nostril with the thumb, and release the finger, and exhale out the left for 4. Every time you exhale out the left nostril, count that as 1 round. And again, inhale, close the nostril, release, exhale. Inhale through the same nostril, close, and exhale for 4. That's 2 rounds. Again, inhale, close, exhale, inhale, close, and exhale. We'll do 1 more round. Inhaling, closing the nostril, exhaling out the opposite, inhaling through the same nostril, closing, and exhaling. Once you come to your last round, which could be 4, 6, or 8 to begin with, bring your thumb and your index finger to touch. Again, this can be with your palms facing up, if your left hand had the palm facing up in Yan Mudra through the practice, or with the palm facing down, if your palm was facing down in Chin Mudra through the practice, then bring your right hand to face down. Now in the practice, I encourage you to have your eyes closed. Of course, as you're first learning this, your eyes will be open. But once you start to become comfortable with this prana, it'll allow you to go within and notice the subtlety. Now from here, you can take your right hand and bring your hand on top of your left, drawing your thumbs to touch. Now, do close your eyes and just allow your shoulders to drop down away from your ears. Think about lifting up through the crown of your head and drawing down through the base of your spine. Now from here, just draw the corners of your mouth just ever gently upwards. Take a deep inhale through the nose, and then exhale through the nose. And feel that beautiful light quality in and around your heart and through your chest. Now, bringing your hands together at your heart center, notice how you feel grounded and centered, as well as uplifted and inspired. Now you may want to take a moment to set an intention for your day ahead, or if it's the evening time, for tomorrow. Once you've done so, take a moment to honor yourself, and then from here, gently open your eyes. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste.